Yes, students. Today, you can just share your views on chat box. Shall we join? A very warm greeting to all of you. Supporting the fighters, admiring the survivor, honoring the taken, and never ever give up hope. By these words, I, Mala Sharma, on behalf of UG Club and Society, welcome you all in Cancer Day Awareness Program on World Cancer Day. Cancer, one of the most dreaded disease, which has taken the form of almost a pandemic and is one of the biggest reason of mortality in urban area. World Cancer Day is celebrated all over the world to raise awareness about the causes, symptom, treatment, and precaution of this. This day is celebrated on 4th of February every year. The primary goal of the celebrating this day is to create awareness among the masses to ensure the well-being of people. We at ITS are committed for social cause for the same. ITS UG campus is organizing online Cancer Day awareness program to build a proper idea and plan to fight against this deadly disease, and also to make the students aware to every possible measure so that they could stay from this disease. We are celebrating this day under the Association of Theatre Club, Yoga Club, Literary Club, and Fine Arts Club. I extend a very hearty welcome to the Director UG Campus, Dr. Sunil Kumar Pandey sir, Vice Principal of UG Campus, Professor Nancy Sharma ma'am. I also welcome Chairperson of BBA, Professor Uttam Sharma, Chairperson of BCA, Dr. Vidushi Singh, Club Coordinator, Professor Barkha Kakkar, Dr. Yashmita Avasti, faculty colleague, and my dear student. Now, I would like to request Vice Principal UG, Professor Nancy Sharma ma'am. She has been working continuously for the development and growth of the institution. Thank you, ma'am, for your gracious presence. Ma'am, please say a few words.
Yeah, I hope I'm audible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Respected Director UG, Dr. Sunil Kumar Pandey, sir. Guest of the day, Professor. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. Yeah, guest of the day, Mr. Shivam Sharma and Professor V. Shivam Mishra, and faculty colleagues. We all are here for the celebration of online World Cancer Day. This is a virtual platform where we all are assembled here to just to witness the awareness sessions where we all are going to talk about what are the measures which we all have to adopt to prevent ourselves, our loved ones from this deadly disease. World Cancer Day is celebrated in ITS Mohan Nagar from last 2 to 3 years, and every year we try our level best to make sure that our students, our faculty members are given with some insights which are really beneficial for each one of us. I'm really thankful to the speakers of the day to sparing their valuable time and coming over here at this virtual platform to share their knowledge and experience with our students, with our faculty colleagues. I'm also, I wish to congratulate Club and Society team as well, which is led by Dr. Yashmita Avasthi, Professor Mala Sharma, Professor Barka Sharma, and both the course chairpersons and coordinators to make sure that all the students are here at this virtual platform and trying to get benefit out of it. The objective of this program is very, very simple and very clear. So I want all the students to be aware and be alert and be attentive while having these sessions. So wish you good luck for the competitions which are going to be organized in post-lunch arts. So try to participate as much as possible and try to spread awareness among each one of us. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words and motivation. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouragement. Now, I request Director Sir Dr. Sunil Kumar Pandey, who is a man of distinct vision, of exceptional leadership qualities, and a wellspring of illuminating ideas. He is an idol of knowledge, experience, and tremendous source of inspiration of all of us. I welcome you, sir. Kindly address us with your kind words of wisdom. Sir, please. Sir.
Professor Mala, I hope mic is to be unmuted for that.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing that. Just a minute, sir. Just a minute. Yes, sir, please.
Thank you, Professor Mala. Guest of this very special day, Professor J. Venkat sir, Shiva Mishra ji, Vice Principal Professor Nancy Sharma ji, club coordinators, Dr. Yashmita ji, Professor Barkha, and of course, Professor Mala, Chairperson BCA program, Dr. Vidushi ji, Chairperson BBA program, Professor Uttam Sharma ji, and dear faculty colleagues. In fact, there are certain things in human's life which initial stage we may not realize that how important it could be. But these things require lots of effort, not when actually the problem occurs, but rather before problem occurs. If we are sensitized, if we are aware, and if we can take precautionary measures, probably we can keep ourselves, our family, our society safe from these deadly diseases. All across the world, if you see, every day we read in newspapers, in magazines, on websites, on different portals, that across the globe, people have been expressing their serious concern due to the casualties, due to the impact of this deadly disease, cancer, which is in existence in different forms. The biggest problem in curing this disease is we come to know about these things at a very later stage, and when it is too late, and it becomes very difficult to deal with this even by the doctors. So always the emphasis has been that better we keep ourselves aware about all these things, why it happens, how it happens, and in case if it happens, what precautionary measures should be taken, and what medication, what treatment should be taken, what options are available. Because more aware we are, more safe we will be. This World Cancer Day, and still today, there have been lots of treatments available. In India also, we are known, we are very well-known medical destination who are providing global services in the field of health care. In fact, this World Cancer Day, which we are celebrating today, it's an international day which was marked on February 4th to raise awareness about the cancer and to encourage its prevention rather than treatment on first stage. So it's prevention, detection, and treatment. And that's why now our government, the healthcare organizations, they are more emphasizing on their regular health checkups, because regular health checkups help individuals in detecting in case this deadly disease starts appearing. If it is known in early stage, that 100% cure can be done, rather than ignoring it, not taking proper care, not going for regular health checkup. And at a stage when everything, we are trapped in a situation where it is at advanced stage, it becomes difficult to treat. So World Cancer Day is led by the Union for International Cancer Control. An objective of this organization, and the goal is, goal was written in 2008. The primary goal of this World Cancer Day is to significantly reduce illness and death caused by these cancers, which exist in different forms, starting from children to senior citizens. And it also aims to provide an opportunity to rally the international community to end the injustice of preventable suffering from cancer. The day is observed by the United Nations. So the primary objective of World Cancer Day is to create awareness and reduce the stigma. Because multiple initiatives are run by World Cancer Day to show support for those who are affected by the cancer. One of the very popular and very important campaign at the moment was No Hair Selfie. In fact, this is something which one cannot visualize the kind of pain, the kind of suffering, the kind of struggle the person who is suffering from cancer goes through. While the process of treatments, there are different side effects, of course. This is not for throughout the life, but at least during the period of treatment, it is seen like the radiography takes place, or when the treatment goes on. In the process, after some time, it is seen that most of the people who go through the treatment, they lost their hairs. And that is the time when person who is suffering from it and undergoing the treatment, he starts losing the confidence. And at the same time, the family also. Everyone. In fact, one person suffers from disease and rest of the family suffers from the pain. तो जो प्रोसेस ट्रीटमेंट है, देखें कि इसमें जो शुरुआती स्टेज जो होती है, तो देखिए तो अक्सर ऐसा देखने में आता है कि जो हेड एयर्स चले जाते हैं उसको, और बॉडी के जो, और ये जो सिचुएशन होती है जो इससे होकर के गुजरता है, he in fact goes passes through a different kind of trauma altogether, which takes time to come out. And that is the time when we need to show our support, We need to extend our moral support to be with them, because that is the only thing which helps the person who is suffering from it to come out. The presence of 300 odd students in this event, it itself speaks that how much sensitive we are. And I'm really happy to see the presence of our students, the faculty members, and generally in such kind of events, the huge presence like this, it always inspires, it always motivates not only to the organizers who are organizing the event, but it is your participation which fuels this entire team to keep working on such activities, because these activities are planned and organized, and those who are participating is purely extending the support and the feel of being together. And I'm sure that this feeling of togetherness will always help the people who are suffering from the disease to come out of it, to live better quality of life, to back to normal what they would have been doing, or the kind of feeling what they would be having when they were not knowing that they have been trapped with this deadly disease. So I'm sure that, and our contribution could be अगर हम सभी लोग इस बात का ध्यान रखें, अगर कभी हम आसपास भी देखें किसी को या हमारे जानकारी हो कि किसी को ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो एक मॉरल सपोर्ट होता है जिसमें हम उनके साथ खड़े हों और कभी बेचारगी का एहसास नहीं होने देना चाहिए। बिकॉज ऐसे समय पर जिस ट्रॉमा से आदमी जो पर्सन जो सफरर है गुजर रहा होता है, वो अपने लाइफ की जो एक उम्मीद होती है वो छोड़ देता है। जिसके घर में ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम, किसी को ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, वो पूरी फैमिली सफर्स, नॉट ओनली बाय द हेल्थ बट तन से भी, मन से भी और धन से भी। हमने देखा है कितने लोग जो इस डिजीज से जिनके घर में कोई रहा है, सब कुछ बिक गया ट्रीटमेंट में। ऐसे सिचुएशन से सिर्फ बचा जा सकता है कि हम इसके बारे में पहले से जागरूक हों और लोगों को जागरूक बनाएं। हम समझने की कोशिश करें ये क्यों होता है। जो लाइफ स्टाइल हमारी है, जो हमारी फूड हैबिट्स हैं, बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट होता है, बहुत बड़ा रीजन है, बहुत बड़े कारण हैं इन चीजों के। हम उसको समझने की कोशिश करें, क्योंकि जब सब कुछ सामान्य होता है, सब कुछ नॉर्मल होता है, तो हम इसको रियलाइज नहीं करते, बिकॉज हम एक बिंदास, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि आपस में बातचीत में, आम बातचीत में, कि हम उस लाइफ को जीना चाहते हैं। लेकिन उस प्रोसेस में कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमारी जो, अगर हम जागरूक नहीं है, अगर हम अवेयरनेस हमारे अंदर नहीं है, तो हम चीजों को इग्नोर करते हैं। एंड धीरे धीरे वो छोटी छोटी चीजें जो हमारी लाइफ स्टाइल होती है, जो हमारी फूड हैबिट्स हैं और बाकी जो चीजें हैं, ये मिल करके कंट्रीब्यूट करती हैं कहीं ना कहीं इस डेडली डिजीज को जन्म देने के लिए। एंड एक बार अगर ये प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाती है, तो कम से कम अगर रेगुलर, जैसे हेल्थ चेकअप, हमारी कंट्री में ये बहुत ज्यादा लोग अपने हेल्थ के बारे में केयरफुल नहीं रहते, कॉशियस नहीं लेते। लोगों को लगता है कि चलता है, एंड वो जो एक आदत है कि थोड़ी सी तबीयत खराब हुई, थोड़ी सी परेशानी हुई, हमने बहुत करीब से देखा है इन चीजों को। कि वन ऑफ आवर सीनियर प्रोफेसर, ही वाज एट द एज ऑफ 61 की एज थी, एंड ही वाज वेरी एक्टिव। मुझे अभी भी याद है 2011 करीब, ये 24 अक्टूबर 2011, फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल है नोएडा में, उन्होंने एक कैंसर अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम, यही कैंसर अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम ही शुरू किया था। He was part of that, and he coordinated the group of students to participate in that cancer awareness program. Everything was fine. He was living normal life. Suddenly, after a week time, it was November 1st week, he was just taking a round near this Nehru Stadium in Ghaziabad itself. He started feeling uneasiness. उनको पेट में कुछ अजीब सा उनको लग रहा है, जैसे नॉर्मली होता है कि he thought it may be due to food poisoning or something else. For about a week time, he took normal medicines, and then subsequently, when that problem continued, he went to hospital. And doctor, of course, he scanned, he went and he suggested certain tests. And when first test result was received, there was doubt of such kind of problem. They further went for diagnosis, about 15 days it took, all reports came and it was confirmed that he had got cancer. Now see, a person who was living normal life, suddenly within 2 weeks time, he is diagnosed with cancer at it was stage 3. Of course, the process of treatment, that radiation, everything took place, but he could not survive it. It was just a matter of 10 months. And in 10, 11 months, we lost him. So even if people are living normal life, we should not be ignorant to our own health. And that's why जो अभी प्रोफेसर जे वेंकट साहब हैं, इनफैक्ट ही इज द पर्सन हु इज एक्सपर्ट ऑफ दिस, एंड आई डोंट थिंक उनके अलावा कोई और अच्छी तरीके से इस चीज को एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है, समझा सकता है. द नीड ऑफ द आवर इज हम अपने आप को अवेयर करें इन चीजों के बारे में, हम इन चीजों को समझने की कोशिश करें, एक इंपॉर्टेंस जो रेगुलर हेल्थ चेकअप की होती है उसको समझने की कोशिश करें. और बहुत सारी संस्थाएं हैं जो इस समय रेगुलर हेल्थ चेकअप, फुल बॉडी चेकअप साल में देती हैं, बहुत सारे फ्री भी करते हैं और बहुत सब्सिडाइज पे भी, सब्सिडाइज रेट प्राइसेस में भी लोग करते हैं. बट अपने लिए we should go for this, we should choose, so that in case if anything is there, it is diagnosed at a very early stage and then it becomes fully curable. तो हम अपने आप को इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस समझें, उसको फॉलो करने की कोशिश करें. दैट इज द ओनली वे through which we can make sure that we are safe. हम सेफ होंगे, हम खुश रहेंगे, हमारी फैमिली खुश रहेगी. हमारी फैमिली खुश होगी तो हम सोसाइटी की जो खुशी है उसमें कहीं ना कहीं कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाएंगे. एंड अगर हमारी सोसाइटी खुश है, सब लोग स्वस्थ हैं, देन ऑफ कोर्स यही तो हमारे नेशन का एक यूनिट है जो पूरी कंट्री को हमारे हेल्दी रखेगी, वेल्दी भी रखेगी, क्योंकि जो पैसा इसमें खर्च होता है उसको हम कहीं और खर्च कर सकते हैं. सब लोग खुश रहेंगे, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स अपने आप ही हो जाती हैं. On behalf of Institute, Professor Venkat Sir and Shri Shivam Mishra ji, I extend a warm welcome to you in this World Cancer Day celebration, for accepting our invite and request. And we know that how much tight schedule you must be having in treating the people, but in spite of all that, you have accepted our request to be part of this session. We are really thankful to you, sir. It's over to you, Professor Mala ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your deep knowledge about this topic. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, our eminent guest speaker has joined us. And before that, we have a 5-minute video documentary by the Theatre Club student. So, theatre can be influential in all aspects of life. It showcases the acting skills of social and burning issues. Theatre allow you to feel things with a heart. In ITS group, our Theatre Club students have prepared a video documentary on Cancer Day awareness. Let's see the video documentary prepared by the Theatre Club students.
और भाई मिठाई खिलाओ, हमारी बेटी का सिलेक्शन हुआ है ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में.
होना ही जो था, इतनी मेहनत जो की है इसने.
आखिर बेटी किसकी है?
अरे क्या हो गया?
क्या हो गया तुम्हें?
अरे क्या हो गया?
पता नहीं मम्मा, सांस लेने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है.
क्यों?
और ये देखो.
हाँ, ये क्या? अरे इधर आओ जल्दी. क्या हो गया? इधर आओ जल्दी. सर, आपकी बेटी को कैंसर डिटेक्ट हुआ है.
क्या?
हाँ. क्या बुरा माने तो मैं आपसे एक बात पूछूं?
हाँ जी.
क्या वो किसी भी तरीके की एडिक्शन में इन्वॉल्व है, लाइक सिगरेट, ड्रग्स?
नो डॉक्टर, नो, वो ऐसा नशे वशे कुछ नहीं करती.
टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, उसका 3rd स्टेज है और अगर आपने जल्दी से एडमिट नहीं कराया तो बहुत देर हो जाएगी. क्या हुआ? क्या कहा डॉक्टर ने?
डॉक्टर ने बोला एडमिट के लिए हमें 20 लाख रुपए चाहिए.
इतने सारे पैसे हम कहाँ से लाएंगे?
आज तक के कॉलेज के लिए जो पैसे हमने जमा किए थे, फिलहाल उनसे काम हो जाएगा.
If I have to say that my hair loss experience was easy, that would be a lie. There were many nights that I would just sit up and cry.
यार मम्मा, थोड़ा धीरे से करो, दर्द हो रहा है. जब इतने लंबे बाल है तो दर्द तो होगा ही. आराम से कर रही हूँ मैं.
अरे क्या मैंने चीजों की तरफ पड़ी है। कॉलेज नहीं चलना क्या?
यार साहिल मत कर।
चल ना कॉलेज।
मैंने बोला ना मेरा मन नहीं है अभी बात करने का।
ऐसी क्या चीज है? कैंसर ही तो है।
तुम्हें हर चीज मजाक लगती है ना? तुम्हें तो बस मजाक उड़ाना ही आता है। तुम्हें जब बीमारी के बारे में पता नहीं तो क्यों बोलते हो? तुम्हें पता है वो रेडियोथेरेपी का दर्द, वो कीमोथेरेपी का दर्द, हर चीज का बस मजाक उड़वा लो। कैंसर ही तो है।
तू पूछती है ना कि मैं हर संडे कहाँ जाता हूँ। अच्छे को भी नहीं चल।
यार मेरा मन नहीं है कहीं
चल ना, मूड ऑफ मत कर, चल। अरे मिश्रा जी, क्या हाल है आपके?
बढ़िया हूँ साहिल जी, बस आपकी कृपा है।
अरे तुम्हें इनके बारे में क्या बताऊं। ये तंबाकू ऐसे खाते हैं जैसे माउथ प्रेशर के लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा खाने के बाद खाते हैं ना। और ये तंबाकू इसलिए खाते हैं कि यार मुझे कैंसर क्यों नहीं हो रहा।
अरे यार तुम क्या बात कर रहे हो?
अरे
आजकल
नहीं
लगता है
यार।
बड़े मजाकी
अरे नहीं
मूड
यार।
में साहिल जी।
इस बीमारी से लड़ने से पहले हमें इस शब्द कैंसर से लड़ना है। और लड़ाई सिर्फ उस पेशेंट की नहीं बल्कि हम सब की है। उसके दोस्त, उसके फैमिली, उसके फ्रेंड्स, सबको उसका साथ देना पड़ता है। लोग मुझसे कई बार आके कहते हैं कि मैम मुझे प्लीज कुछ भी करके बचा लीजिए, मैं जीना चाहती हूँ, मैं मरना नहीं चाहती। लेकिन सच तो ये है कि मैं उन्हें नहीं बचा सकती। वो बचा सकते हैं खुद को सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी विल पावर से। अब ये है, हम इस बीमारी को जितना बड़ा बनाएंगे ये उतनी ही तकलीफ देती है। और पता है हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हम मौत से तो डरते हैं पर इसी चक्कर में ना हम जिंदगी से प्यार करना भूल जाते। इसलिए हमारे एनजीओ की एक कोशिश रहती है कि हम गली गली जाकर लोगों में अवेयरनेस फैलाएं, उन्हें जिंदगी की इम्पोर्टेंस सिखाएं कि कैंसर एक शब्द है और ये पूरी जिंदगी एक लड़ाई है जो हम जीत सकते हैं। तो ऐसे ही मैं आपको कैंसर वॉरियर से मिलवाती हूँ।
लाइफ एक वो जिक्सॉ पजल है जिसका एक पीस खो जाए तो लाइफ इनकम्प्लीट सी लगने लगती है। मेरी जिक्सॉ पजल का वो पीस तब गायब हुआ जब मुझे पता चला कि मुझे कैंसर है। बहुत अजीब सी फीलिंग है, ऐसा लगा कि अब मेरा क्या होगा। वो कहते हैं ना, कोई भी लड़ाई अकेले नहीं लड़ी जा सकती। एक कैंसर पेशेंट ऑलरेडी एक बैटल लड़ रहा होता है और इस बैटल को जीतने के लिए मैं अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकती। इसमें मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरी फैमिली और भी काफ़ी डॉक्टर्स वगैरह ने पूरा साथ दिया है और यही एक रीज़न है कि आज मैं रिकवर हो चुकी हूँ और अपनी लाइफ से काफ़ी खुश हूँ।
पहले मैं भी अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहती थी, पर जब मुझे पता चला कि मुझे कैंसर है तो मैंने अपनी फैमिली को मेरे लिए रोते हुए देखा है, मैंने उन्हें मेरे लिए परेशान होते हुए देखा है। फिर मैं इस एनजीओ में आ गई और अब ये एनजीओ ही मेरी फैमिली है। अब मैं सब कुछ इनके साथ ही सेलिब्रेट करती हूँ। यही मेरी हैप्पीनेस है और इससे ही मैं रिकवर कर पा रही हूँ।
इसलिए हमारे एनजीओ की एक कोशिश रहती है कि हम गली गली जाकर लोगों में अवेयरनेस फैलाएं, उन्हें जिंदगी की इम्पोर्टेंस सिखाएं कि
No one fights alone. No one fights alone. No one fights alone.
कौन है बे तू? तेरे मुझे नहीं पहचाना? नहीं पहचाना? कौन है? अबे सही में मुझे नहीं पहचाना तूने? कौन है? कौन है? कौन तू है? कौन? तेरा फ्यूचर हूँ यार। मैं भी तेरे जैसे ही था। कॉलेज में सिगरेट पीने की लत लग गई और फिर धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट किया, बेहोश हो गया। जब उठा तो पता लगा कि लंग कैंसर है, 4th स्टेज। मौत को बहुत सामने से देखा तो जिंदगी की कीमत समझ में आई। बस तेरे पास मौका है भाई। सही कह रहा भाई, सही कह रहा। छोड़ दे।
कैंसर को हराना है, हारना नहीं। सभी को समझाना है, घबराना नहीं। सब्र का इम्तिहान लेती है ये बीमारी, अपनों को तोड़ देती है ये परेशानी।
want to say something? Okay. Sir का voice नहीं. So you're not audible.
Mic is not there.
Professor Mala, mic has to be unmuted.
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am. Yes, the students are writing on a chat box. They appreciated the student of theatre club.
It's
Yes, sir.
that's really amazing and simply awesome.
Thank you, sir.
It shows that whether it is pandemic COVID-19 or any other hurdle, it can't stop the process of being together. On this day of on this World Cancer Day, I think means sometimes you want to speak a lot, but you don't find words to express yourself. And I really appreciate the efforts what the students have made, and even they might not be knowing what they have done. It is so wonderfully prepared, and of course, these club coordinators, the kind of efforts you all have made. This is something which is really wonderful, awesome.
Thank you, sir.
जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने इस पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट्री पे काम किया है, I appreciate each of them for this wonderful job, and I'm sure that all of us, those who are part of this session, at least I have a feeling that the time what I have spent in attending this session is worthy. Is worthy. And I would like to meet all the students, those who are part of this documentary in campus. Whenever they come, please, I would like to meet with them.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. They have prepared their documentary in such a restricted scenario.
Yes.
And still they have made this. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to introduce our keynote speaker, Professor J. Venkat. Currently, he is working as a professor in Radiography, Apollo Group, Chennai. He is a chairman of Advisory Committee of Society of Indian Radiographers. I welcome you, sir. We are waiting for your informative knowledge about this dreaded disease. Yes, sir.
माला जी एक बार चेक कर ले whether I think Professor Venkat Saab is not he is muted still. हाँ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm doing.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes,
yes
sir. You are audible.
Yes. Let me share my screen first.
You can share your screen.
ஸ்ரீராம் நான் சொல்லும்போது ஆன் பண்ணு, இப்போ கட் பண்ணிடு. Wait a minute, I am starting my presentation and then I will be showing my screen.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. We can see.
Yes, okay. Wait a minute. Start. Good morning to everyone. This is Venkat speaking from Chennai. I am in the field of radiography. We are in the field of treating the cancer also as a radiotherapy as well as in ablation. It is a targeted therapy. Today I'll be talking about the cancer awareness and its prevention. Just go to my list of objectives, what we are going to learn today. First, I'll be talking about the cancer and its definition. Second, I'll be talking about the type of cancers. Cancers are somewhere around 150 types are there. We can discuss about few types of cancer. And what is the reason behind the cancer, that also we can discuss. And reason depending upon the geography also we can discuss. How to diagnose a cancer, that I'll slightly touch on that. Stages of cancer, as our director told, he met one doctor and then suddenly the cancer was diagnosed. He told the stage was 3, stage 3. That means, what is the meaning of stages? I can give you some hints. You can understand how to stage the cancer also. Treatment. Nowadays, cancer is, as directors told, it is treatable unless otherwise if you are diagnosing very early. There are some steps you can prevent the cancer. Early detection is very important. When it is early, it is completely curable. Screening test. That means before diagnosing the cancer, how to screen the major population or particular population where there will be a possibility of cancer can be done. That means normal patient we can do some test so that we can pick up the cancers in very early stages. Finally, there will be a small take-home message. What is cancer? Cancer means it is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body. Why I am saying abnormal cells means growth always there. For example, my hand is there. You can see the freshness of the hand. Why? Because there is a cells or daily basis, it is growing, but that old cells are dying. That is the normal process. But what is happening in cancer? In cancer, there will be always the control mechanism in DNA. It is in the memory, so that the normal cells has to grow slowly and old cells to die. But what is happening in cancer? Old cells do not die, but the cell division will be very fast. That means there will be a mass or tumor is formed. So these extra cells, they are forming a mass or a group of cells that is called tumor. That tumor can be divided into two. One is benign tumor, next one is malignant tumor. Malignant tumor is a cancer. Most of the cancers are having mass like a tumor, except, okay, what are the type of cancer? Type of the cancer depending upon the gender also. For example, most common cancer in male is lung cancer, but most common cancer in female is breast cancer. Oral cancer is equally divided for both sexes because of both are taking tobacco and then exposed to some tobacco materials. Lung cancer also common for both, depending upon the, but male will be more on lung cancer because of smoking. Liver cancer. Liver cancer is nowadays very much number is increasing because of the food habit and obesity and lack of exercise and some other substances and infections. Blood cancer. Blood cancer is more popular in young age. Causes of cancer. Now, causes of cancer can be different on different types. That means first we'll take breast cancer. Breast cancer always it is depending upon the genetic. Okay, maybe old age, maybe a grandmother may be having cancer. It may be spread like that. It is possible. And 6% cancer is stomach cancer. That is because of food and preservative and spicy foods. 10% of cancer, it is from cervical. Cervical cancer is mainly, it is depending upon the hygiene, how they are keeping the parts very cleanly manners, that is depending upon cervical cancer. Cervical cancer mainly coming because of the infection, and which infection is maybe due to hygiene. 15% of cancer is uterus, liver, large intestine, like that. But 25% of cancer, there is no reason at all, unknown. Finally, we will come to 40%, which is the major cancer. 40% is the major cancer is in lung and oral cancer. That is tobacco and pan masala. Now just see these percentages. Unknown reason is, unknown or uncontrollable reason is this 25% and this 4%. So you can say that 30% only unknown reason and uncontrollable reason. Other than 70% is under our control. This chart is clearly saying that 70% of the cancer can be preventable. Okay, keep in your mind, 70% of the cancer is preventable. Now we'll go to the geography. I'm taking only India as a geography. What are the main cancers happening depending upon the geography? When you are seeing in the northeast, that means Guwahati, Assam, like that, you can see a lot of esophagus and lung cancer because of those people are burning the wood in the home or nearby home. That also reason for more cancer in lung. In West Bengal, lung and urinary bladder cancer is more common because of water pollution. When you're coming to south and coastal region, hygiene is playing major game. So the cervical cancer is more. Okay, when you go to Goa, Goa is a different state in India. There may be a lot of happenings and then data parties like that. So because of the reason, there may be intake of alcohol, more alcohol and more tobacco and more red meat. Red meat means beef and mutton. These are all giving colon cancer. Okay. Okay, when you're coming to Rajasthan and Gujarat, those people are taking a lot of tobacco and pan masala. Because of the reason, we can see a lot of head and neck cancer. Okay, what about Ganges belt? Ganges belt, there also some of the cancers are more because of polluted water and diet rich in animal protein means they are taking some lot of red meat fishes. That is also giving some type of cancer. Okay, now how to diagnose a cancer? There are a lot of modalities available diagnosing the cancer. First one is physical examination. Physical examination by seeing or by touching. A doctor can do the physical examination by seeing or touching. He can diagnose the mass available there, and then he can refer some other test to confirm it. Blood test. Nowadays, blood test is playing major role because of there is a test called tumor markers. Straight away it can diagnose. Yes, this patient is having liver cancer. This patient is having prostate cancer. Without even doing any CT scan, blood test itself playing major role nowadays. Endoscopy for stomach or esophagus, that is a food pipe, and large intestine, you can do the endoscopy so that you can directly see the cancer, and then by seeing itself, a endoscopic doctor can understand, yes, I'm seeing a lot of cases like this. This is the cancer like this. He can diagnose. Further, he can go for biopsy and then he can confirm it also. X-rays. X-rays is the least modality available, very easily available everywhere. So even lung cancer and all easily can be diagnosed within 200 rupees. You can, if you take chest X-ray, you can diagnose. I usually say that every people that you should have one chest X-ray in 1 year, so that you can prevent cancer by diagnosing in very early stages. Scans. Scans are a lot of type of cancers are available: ultrasound scan, CT scan, MRI scan, bone scan, like that. These scans can diagnose the cancer very easily, but confirmation you have to go for some other test. Now the PET CT is available nowadays. PET CT scan is available. What is the reason? What is the more advantage of PET CT scan is it can give the spread of disease. That is a stage 4. If you want to check whether the patient is on stage 4 or not, you can go for PET CT so that you can understand whether it is spread or not. I'll be explaining you separate slide for how to stage a cancer. Biopsy and tumor marker. Biopsy means they will take small amount of tissue and then they will send it for pathology. There they can confirm the cancer and then they can differentiate which type of cancer it is. Now stages of cancer. Just keep in your mind, when you are seeing any patient, people are saying that my uncle is diagnosed cancer. It was very advanced stage, 4th stage, he died very fast, like that. Some people are saying my younger sister or my aunt diagnosed cancer, but it was early, so that they operated, they finally they were told it is completely cured. That means the curable percentage is depending upon the stage. Now we'll go to the lung cancer, how to differentiate what is the stages. Stages are 4 stages. Number one is very small lesion within the lung, one part of the lung. Just I'm example I'm taking as a lung. It may be liver, any other part also. Okay, it is. Can you see that in the screen? Very small lesion. Okay, it is not spreading or it is not touching the border of the lung. Okay, any part. That means it is a stage 1. Okay, that is a very early stage. Second stage means it is spreading whole lung and nearby lymph node. Lymph node means it is a small gland. It is actually transporting the lymph. Lymph means a fluid which is circulating all over the body. Okay, so it in the lung but it is just spreading next and the border like that. That is stage 2. Stage 3 means nearby organ. That means if lung cancer is there, what is the near organ? You can say chest wall or any other liver or any stomach like that, which is touching the lung. That part it can be spread. That is called stage 3. That means cancer is just spreading nearby adjacent organ. Okay, that is called 3. Stage 4. This is very important. This is the usually people say that is the final stage like that, but this is very extensive because of cancer is spread. Cancer can be spread through the blood or lymphatic vessels. That means just imagine one patient is having colonic cancer. He has undergone surgery. They removed part of large intestine, and then the doctor saying that you are safe, and then the tumor is removed. You are away from cancer. But within 3 months or 6 months, cancer can be developed in lung. That means you can see the distance. Lung is here, large intestine is here. So distant organ it is spreading. No, that is called stage 4 cancer. Okay. So stage 1 is cancer localized. That means same place. Second one is cancer spread in the whole organ and adjacent lymph node. Third is it is spread into the adjacent organ. It has gone to the next organ. And fourth is distant organ is affected. Okay, now we'll go for the treatment of the cancer. How to treat the cancer? You can see that we can give big salute to the medical field and biomedical engineering field because of lot of good type of treatments nowadays available. See, for example, if you see old movies, black and white movies, the one of the person will be diagnosed with TB. Okay, when diagnosed with TB, the whole family will be crying. Oh my God, my uncle is this one affected by TB will die like that. But if you see that in current days, TB means nothing because of TB is curable, completely curable. That stage is now coming to cancer also. Most of the cancers can be curable now, okay, because of lot of options are available, but depending upon the stage, okay. First choice is surgery. If it is localized, okay, stage 1, it is localized lung or in colon or in intestine or in uterus or in ovary. If it is localized, surgery is very good option. You just cut it, remove it, and then give some radiation around the lesion, and then it is completely cured. Next is the radiation therapy. Radiation therapy always combined therapy. You can combine with surgery as well as radiation. In radiation, there are mainly two type of radiation is available. One is called gamma radiation. This is done with the isotopes. Next is the X-rays. That means high power X-rays can be given to treat the cancer. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a drug they are giving through the blood vessel, so that some of the cancer can be curable, but there will be a lot of side effects. You can see the skin hair fall, and then the skin coloration difference, everything. Chemotherapy can be divided into two. That means generally, for example, a patient is having some large intestine cancer or abdominal cancer, they can give medicine on the IV, so that it will go to the whole body and then it will kill the tumor. Okay. Now localized chemotherapy is available. That means liver is having cancer. That means what they will do nowadays, there is a procedure called angiogram. They can put small tube into the liver, and then they will put the catheter tip into the cancer, directly at the cancer, and then they can inject the medicine, so that only the cancer cell will be killed. This is more effective, more quick treatment is available nowadays. It can be done for liver, pancreas, even lung also possible. Ablation is a new therapy available, not all over India. It is nowadays available mainly major cities, where what they will do, they will put small needle. For example, liver is such a big liver and it is having small tumor like this. What they can do, they can put on small needle at the center of the cancer, and then they can put some energies, microwave energies. This microwave energy, what it will do, it will kill the tumor locally. Finally, within 20 to 30 minutes, you can cure the patient without cancer at all. That is very fast, very good modality available, but it may be a little costly. Somewhere it is costing 2 to 3 lakhs, but it is a fast and quick and complete treatment. Okay, prevention. Prevention is very important topic in our cancer awareness, because of most of the cancer is because of occurred, or it is because of our habit, because of our environment is it developing, so that you can prevent the cancer by stopping or by adding some other activities, so that the cancer can be preventable. The cure is better than the prevent is better than cure. Usually say that the one disease is coming, and coming, it is affecting us. After that, we are taking treatment and all. Before that, stop it at the distance. That means you are preventing the cancer to coming and attacking us. It is a very easy manner, and anyone can do it. That is what, even layman, even without any studies he has done, nothing, he can prevent the cancer. First one is lung cancer. Very simple. Stop smoking and go away from the smoker. That is more important. Okay. For example, at home, your husband is smoking, you are watching TV, you are enjoying the TV and serial because of the interest on the serial like that. But your husband is smoking means not only he is affected, you are also affected. Okay, always keep away from smoking. Even you can tell your people whoever smoking at home, ask them to smoke outside of the room or outside of the house. Okay, that can prevent cancer for the non-smoker also. Next, oral cancer. Oral cancer is the worst, very worst cancer. It can be straight away preventable. Stop tobacco chewing. That's all. Very simple. Whoever listening this presentation, if your habit of tobacco or in pan masala practice, just stop it today, not today, now itself. Okay, that is my personal request. Breastfeeding. Breastfeeding also it can prevent. Always try to give the young mother can give the always try to give the breastfeeding. It can reduce the breast cancer. Not only that, obesity. Obesity also one of the reason for breast cancer. You can reduce the weight so that the even breast cancer can be developed in male also. Okay, people are thinking breast cancer meant for only females, but not like that. Yeah, obesity man can develop bigger breast and it can go for breast cancer also. Okay, stomach and intestine cancer. How to prevent? Reduce the spicy subjects. Okay, like and then junk food like that, samosa like that, and all you can have occasionally pani puri like that. They are mixing lot of chemicals in that. It can alter your stomach and then it may induce to cancer. Okay, occasionally you can have it, no problem. Okay, and increase the exercise. Always take healthy diet. Healthy diet means your food should be colorful. Colorful means, what is the colorful means? Don't put the color or casari powder in your biryani and rice and all. Color means a food should contain small amount of white rice and some chapati, different color, and green vegetables and tomato, like that. Different color. That means different type of food. No, it will allow us to digest properly, and then the digestive system also will work properly. It can prevent large intestine and small intestine cancer. Okay, next is the liver cancer. Liver mainly because of alcohol and infection. There is a in virus infection called hepatitis B that can be reason for liver cancer. This can be preventable by placing the vaccination. There is a vaccination available for hepatitis B. You can have it and stop alcohol because of the steps are there. If you take lot of alcohol, liver will be affected. When liver is affected, it is called cirrhosis of liver. When cirrhosis of liver comes, HCC, that means hepatocellular carcinoma, small cancer will develop. So it can be prevented by alcohol. Skin cancer. Skin cancer is not common in India. In Western countries only it is very common. If you avoid direct sunlight, it can be preventable. Finally, screening program. That means you are not having anything. You are healthy. Go for some screening. Screening test. What are the screening tests? I will explain you later. If you are going for screening test, you can go for early diagnosis. When it is early diagnosis, that cancer is curable. Okay, stages. Why stages is important? Just see this slide. Survival and stage of diagnosis. And if cancer is diagnosed first and second stage, 81% is curable. Okay. But if the patient is on stage 3 and stage 4, 26% is curable. That means if cancer is diagnosed on first and second stage, almost it is curable. Okay. How to do the, but it is not easy to diagnose early stages because of what is the reason is at early stages, you cannot feel any symptoms. You don't know anything at all. When it is stages coming into 3 and 4 only, you can see some bleeding or you can see mass like that. So that means how to diagnose in stage 1 and 2, that is this one. There are some signs to detect the early cancer. First one is there will be some unusual bleeding, okay, or change in bowel habits. That means usually we are going for the toilet for morning 1 time only, okay, and then eating 3 times only. That is a normal habit. Sometimes what will happen, the patient, the person not able to pass the motion on 1 time by 1 day, he will pass 1 or 2 days after 1 or 2 days only. That is a change. And sore, that means that is small wound which is not healing. That is also one of the reason that he may have cancer. And cough, and suddenly the voice will change. The sweet voice, your girl may be having sweet voice, suddenly the voice changes means there may be a cancer. Okay, and decrease weight, sudden decrease of weight also reason for cancer. And mole, any mole is becoming changing, that's also. And difficulty in swallowing, that means a person is not able to eat idli, you know, South Indian idli and all, it is very hard to take. When you are normal, you can swallow the idli very easily like that. But what will happen, some people suddenly they cannot swallow the idli because of it's hard. What will happen? No, that means there is a small cancer is developing in the esophagus, that is in the pipe, food pipe, okay? And thickening or lump, that lump means there is a small mass. Now we'll go for the screening test. Screening test means a normal human being is going for some test where he can diagnose cancer at stage 1 or 2. That is called screening test. This is very popular in Western countries, but is not happening in India. That is why most of the cancers are diagnosed in India is 3rd and 4th. But Western countries, the cancers are diagnosed in stage 1 and 2 because of they are going for screening test. That means after 35 years, a woman should have one mammography. Mammography is the X-ray test, X-ray investigation where you can diagnose breast cancer in stage 1 itself. Okay, and self-examination. There are a lot of videos are available. You can go to YouTube and then check it. There is a self-examination for breast cancer diagnosis. If you do that one every month or every 3 months or every 6 months, you can diagnose the cancer at early stage. This is a direct message I am giving to the women above 35 years. Please do self-examination frequently on your breast so that you can diagnose cancer very easily. Next, liver cancer. For liver cancer, you can go for their test called blood test called AFP or ultrasound. Intestine cancer, most of the time you have to go for endoscopy. Prostate cancer is very common, very popular now in male. That is called PSA test. Okay, this is a blood test where we can diagnose early stage of prostate cancer. Next is the lung cancer. See, lung cancer, if you take one X-ray on per year, it will diagnose very easily and very early stage of cancer. If anyone is having smoking for 20 years, okay, smoking for 20 years, above 40 years means he should go for one X-ray chest or one lung CT so that you can diagnose the cancer very early stages. Uterus cancer, that is called cervical cancer. It can be diagnosed very easily. This also message to the women above 40-50 years. You can go for pap smear test. There is a small test available in all gynecological hospital where you can diagnose cancer, cervical cancer at very early stages. And blood cancer is very simple. You can go for blood test and you can diagnose. Finally, take home message. Okay, I think I have given good number of messages to you, but it may be too much also. But finally, I'm giving a short summary of my presentation where you can take this message and keep in your mind so that you can prevent cancer. Okay. Avoid smoking. Simply stop it. Okay. No to tobacco chewing. Always. You try to the young students always the seniors will say you should not say you should not say always don't say no to me like that. Most of the senior lecturers they will say to students, but students I'm telling you, you should know how to say no to smoking, how to say no to tobacco chewing at the first time itself, where you are stopping you are preventing cancer. Okay, in future just stop it. I'm repeating, just stop it, smoking and tobacco chewing. More exercise. Always try to be healthy, and body should have lot of muscles, not lot of fats. This will give better health, and then you can avoid breast cancer also in future if you are having good lean body or healthy body. Good fat food habit. Avoid junk food. That means samosa, pani puri and all. Occasionally you can have it once in a month, once in 2 months, no problem. Avoid maida. The wheat, maida is the byproduct of wheat. Okay, you can have chapati or something on wheat, but not barota like that or naan. Naan and all made up of maida. This is actually changing your bowel habit so that the colonic cancer may be coming. Okay, in future try to avoid naan or maida stuffs. Okay, reduce red meat. Red means red meat is having some ingredients. It may be lead to cancer. Okay, red means mutton and beef. Okay, occasionally you can have mutton, no problem, but not regularly. Better to have white meat. White meat means chicken, fish. Fish also, some type of fishes and all white. Some fishes are like red color. That and all you should not take it. Okay, always try to take the meat which is in white color. That is chicken, you can take it, or fish you can take it. Try to avoid beef or mutton, but occasionally you can have spicy food. Reduce the spicy food. It may reduce the stomach and large intestine cancer. What should take? Tomato. Tomato is the best food to prevent cancer. When I was talking with an oncologist, he told if you are taking on age around 40 years male, if he is taking 2 tomato per day, he can prevent prostate cancer directly. Okay. Next is the early dinner. That means if you are going for sleep by 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, better to have dinner by 8 o'clock itself, because of your food should be digested and then it should go to the small intestine. Otherwise, if you're taking the food late dinner by 10 o'clock and then going for sleep bed for 10:30 means what is happening? The food content and the acid, it may come up. It is called esophageal reflux. That means the food content and acid is coming to the food pipe. It is giving, or it is giving some hints, or it is giving some incidents to develop food pipe cancer. That is called esophageal cancer. You can avoid that. More fiber food. That means a lot of vegetables and wheat. This and all will give the good healthy diet for large intestine. You can prevent large intestine cancer. Breathe healthier. Always try to walk in the road or in the park or in the terrace, not in the treadmill like that. You should have good breath. Okay, when you are better to avoid smoke in the room. Maybe smoking due to cigarette or burning some wood and all, that should be avoided. Okay. Take screening test. That means you can go for what are the tests I told you, at least one chest X-ray per year, or at least one mammography per year for female. Like that, you can go for screening test. There is a test CT scan available nowadays called LDCT. That means low dose CT scan. That means the CT scan which will give you the chest or lung images with minimal radiation. That can be done to prevent the lung cancer. Regular health checkup also will avoid or will prevent the cancer. Thank you very much for listening. And thanks to Chanda, Professor Chanda Jain, for giving me opportunities. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Really, it was an eye-opening session for us. And really, we have learned all the preventions and causes of cancer. Any student and faculty member, if you would, you want to ask something with J. Venkat, Professor, sir, you can ask. You can just write down your questions in chat box.
I can see some charts. Shall I answer it or how it is?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Disha Arora, she's asking, does alcohol cancer cause cancer? Yes. Nowadays, we are seeing lot of incidents. Liver cancer is maybe because of alcohol. Because of alcohol is affecting the liver, and it will become small, and finally it will go for cancer. Tattooing writing in the skin. The Shubham is asking. It is not mainly because of tattoo is creating cancer, but tattoo or any mole can be converted in cancer in later days. But better to avoid tattooing. That's what I tell.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Srijan is asking, what are the reasons for cause of cancer? I have given extensively in my presentation. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Professor Nancy Sharma is also saying, sir, Vice Principal ma'am is saying thank you to you. Yes, Nishya Gautam is asking, can you give me this presentation? I also, students are asking that presentation. Really, it is very informative.
I can send you the presentation to you. It is open only. I'm not having anything on this one. No, I can give you, no problem at all.
Sir, one question is there. Sir, what are the symptoms of any type of cancer?
Already I have shown that one.
Yes, sir.
Because of symptoms depending, we have given in the presentation.
Yes, sir.
They can go for.
Okay.
One person is asking for testicular cancer. Testicular cancer, there will be a pain, and then there will be an enlargement of testicular also.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So one student is asking, sir, can brain cancer be prevented?
Brain cancer is not prevented usually, but it can be due to hereditary like that only. But some of the brain cancer is coming because of radiation. If you are working in the radiation field, like working in an X-ray department or any radiotherapy department, try to put some lead cap. There are lead cap is available. Try to use that one. For example, angiography. We are doing angiogram, no? Angiogram, angioplasty and all. These doctor is called cardiologist. Nowadays, they are started wearing lead caps to prevent brain cancer.
Okay. So one student is asking, it is always said that cancer cells never dies. It is present in our body even after diagnosing cancer. A small amount of cancer cell is present. Is it true?
No. See, that's what. Depending upon stage. If it is diagnosed on first or second stage, now what will happen? The whole full cancer cells are died because of treatment. Okay, but in third or fourth stage, what will happen? The cancer cells will be spread all over the body. Okay, just like a track. So it will be all over the body. If you are treating on say third stage and fourth stage, it can be in somewhere else. That is okay. But on stage 1 and 2, it is completely out of the body. For example, liver cancer, there is a procedure called ablation we are doing. Actually, I'm part of it also. What we are doing is we straight away put one small needle inside the cancer, and then we will deliver some microwave radiation. It will kill completely the tumor. No cells will be there at all. But it should be on stage 1 or 2 only.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. So one is asking, thalassemia is a type of blood cancer?
No, it is not like that. Thalassemia
It's
is
not
not
like
like that.
Okay, okay. So air pollution can be cause of cancer, sir? Any kind of cancer?
Which one?
Air pollution can
Can
be
you
cause
repeat?
of...
Air pollution, yes.
Yes, sir.
Air pollution is cause of, yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir. You have just replied all the questions that we have. And thank you very much, sir. And this is the token of ITS UG campus presenting a flag of appreciation for this, your valuable time you have given us today. And it is very informative session for us. Everybody is saying that, sir. Our faculty member are also writing down on a chat box. And it is very informative session for everybody of us, and especially of today. And I'm really thankful to Professor Chanda. She invited such a wonderful guest, keynote speaker to us. And thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Now I would like to welcome